How to use the Walmart app for curbside pickup. First, download and sign in. Install the Walmart app integrated with grocery features. Open it, then sign in and create an account if needed. Second, choose pickup mode. Tap Pickup and Delivery on the homepage. Switch to the Pickup tab, enter your zip code, and select your preferred store. Then tap See Times and choose a convenient pickup window. Your reservation holds for 1 hour. Add items to your cart during this time. If time lapses, your order remains but the slot is released. Then search for items using the search bar. Filter by pickup eligibility and tap Add to cart. Most grocery, household, and even clothing or electronics items are eligible. You can also designate an alternate pickup person if needed. Then click Checkout, Review Details, Pickup Person, Substitutions, Back Preferences, and tap Place Order. If your total is under $35, a small fee of $7 will apply. Otherwise, pickup is free. Then you'll receive a notification when your order is ready for pickup. Use the app to check in while you're on your way or at the store. Then park in one of the designated orange curbside pickup spots. Tap I'm on my way or I've parked in the app, entering your parking spot number and vehicle color so associates can find you easily. A Walmart associate will bring your order to your car and help load it. Sign in if required. In some locations, no contact delivery is supported. Simply stay in your vehicle with windows rolled up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.